Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook tea in an electric kettle. First, gather your essential items: your electric kettle, fresh, cold water, and your chosen tea, whether it's bags or loose leaf. Before you begin, always ensure your kettle is sparkling clean. Then, fill it with the right amount of cold, filtered water, making sure not to overfill past the maximum line. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delightful brew. Once your kettle is filled, it's time to heat the water to its optimal temperature. For robust black teas and most herbal infusions, you'll want a full boil, reaching around 212 degrees Fahrenheit. However, delicate green and white teas prefer a gentler heat, typically between 160 and 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Many modern kettles offer precise temperature settings, making this step wonderfully easy. With your water perfectly heated, it's time for the steeping process. Place your tea bags directly into your cup, or if using loose leaf, use an infuser or teapot. Carefully pour the hot water over the tea, ensuring all the leaves or bags are fully immersed. Allow your tea to steep for the recommended duration, usually between 2 and 5 minutes, depending on the tea type and your desired strength. This is where the magic happens. After steeping, gently remove the tea bags or strain the loose leaf tea from your cup or pot. Now comes the fun part: customizing your brew. Feel free to add a splash of milk, a spoonful of sugar, a drizzle of honey, or a slice of lemon to suit your personal taste. Take a moment to savor the aroma, then enjoy your perfectly prepared, warm cup of tea. It's a simple pleasure, made easy with your electric kettle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.